In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best smokers. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best smokers. Number 5, Weber 18-inch Smoky Mountain Cooker. For those who love traditional charcoal smoking, the Weber 18-inch Smoky Mountain Cooker is a compact yet powerful option that delivers authentic smokehouse flavor right in your backyard. Made from porcelain-enameled steel, this smoker is built to last, with 2 nickel-plated cooking grates that provide plenty of room for a whole turkey and a large ham at the same time. The built-in water pan helps regulate temperature and keeps meats juicy, while the individual vents on the bowl and lid allow precise airflow control for the perfect slow-cooked barbecue. Weber is known for its durability and superior heat retention, and the Smoky Mountain Cooker is no exception. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just starting out, this charcoal smoker is easy to use yet delivers incredible results. The heat-resistant nylon handle makes it safe to operate, and its lightweight design makes it easy to move around your patio. If you crave the deep, rich flavor of traditional wood smoking and want a compact yet efficient charcoal smoker, this Weber model is an unbeatable classic. Number 4, Camp Chef 24-inch Vertical Gas Smoker. Take your outdoor cooking up a notch with the Camp Chef Smoke Vault 24-inch, a propane-powered smoker designed for both meats and even baked goods. With an adjustable temperature range of 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, it gives you total control over your cooking. The 3 adjustable damper valves and built-in door thermometer let you fine-tune the heat and smoke level for consistent, mouth-watering results. A heavy-gauge steel wood chip tray and water pan work together to maintain moisture and infuse deep smoky flavor into your food. What makes the Camp Chef Smoke Vault unique is its versatility. Not only can it smoke brisket, ribs, and poultry to perfection, but it's also great for pies, bread, and even slow-cooked meals. It's easy to use, with propane providing reliable heat and no need for constant fire monitoring. Plus, it comes with cooking tips, ideas, and recipes, making it a great option for beginners looking to master smoking. If you want a straightforward, high-performing propane smoker that delivers restaurant-quality flavor, the Smoke Vault is a fantastic choice. Number 3, Masterbuilt 40-inch Digital Electric Smoker. For those who love smoking but want a simpler, more convenient option, the Masterbuilt 40-inch Digital Electric Smoker is a game-changer. With 970 square inches of cooking space, it can handle a feast, from racks of ribs to whole turkeys. This vertical smoker features chrome-plated racks for even cooking and a digital control panel that lets you set your temperature with precision. The side wood chip loader makes it easy to add smoky flavor without opening the door and losing heat, ensuring consistent temperatures and juicy results. Masterbuilt takes the guesswork out of smoking, making it perfect for beginners and busy cooks alike. Unlike charcoal or propane smokers, this electric model heats up quickly and maintains steady temperatures for stress-free smoking. Simply plug it in, load your wood chips, and let it do the work. Whether you're craving rich, smoky brisket or tender pulled pork, this smoker makes it effortless. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use electric smoker with ample space and minimal maintenance, this is an excellent pick. Number 2, Traeger Pro 780 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Say goodbye to charcoal and gas. The Traeger Pro 780 takes wood-fired grilling to a whole new level with Wi-Fi technology, allowing you to control your smoker right from your phone. With 780 square inches of cooking space, this smoker can handle up to 6 whole chickens or 34 burgers at once, making it perfect for large gatherings. The D2 drivetrain heats up fast and maintains precise temperatures, while the built-in meat probe ensures your food is cooked to perfection. Its porcelain-coated grill grates make cleanup effortless, and the 6-in-1 cooking versatility lets you smoke, bake, grill, roast, braise, and BBQ, all in one powerful machine. What truly sets the Traeger Pro 780 apart is its unmatched ease of use. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this electric pellet smoker gives you perfect wood-fired flavor with minimal effort. Just load up the pellets, set your desired temp on the app, and let it work its magic. No more babysitting a fire. Traeger's precision temperature control ensures consistent heat and smoke for delicious, juicy results every time. If you're looking for a high-tech, hassle-free smoker that delivers outstanding flavor, this is the ultimate choice. Number 1. Dyna-Glo Signature Series DGSS1382VCS-D. If you're serious about smoking and grilling, the Dyna-Glo Signature Series DGSS1382VCS-D is built for you. With a massive 1,382 square inches of cooking space spread across 5 chrome-plated grates, this heavy-duty vertical offset smoker gives you ample room to cook for a crowd. Its heavy-gauge steel body ensures durability and excellent heat retention, while the stainless temperature gauge with a smoke zone makes it easy to dial in that perfect smoky flavor. The cool touch handles and oversized steel wheels make maneuvering and operation a breeze, so you can focus on crafting mouth-watering barbecue. Beyond its impressive size, this smoker is all about delivering rich, authentic smoky flavors. The offset firebox allows for indirect cooking, ensuring low and slow smoking for tender meats with deep, complex taste. Whether you're smoking brisket, ribs, or even whole turkeys, the Dyna-Glo ensures consistent heat distribution and optimal smoke infusion. Plus, its cool touch spring lid grip provides extra safety, letting you access your food worry-free. If you want a versatile, long-lasting smoker that's built for serious barbecue lovers, this one is a powerhouse. And there you have it, the top 5 best smokers that can help you achieve mouth-watering, competition-level barbecue right at home. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.